Students, today we will start acceleration. What is acceleration? This is the part 3 of unit motion. Acceleration. In this class, we will discuss what is acceleration, how acceleration is produced, what is positive and negative acceleration. So acceleration is produced when a car is slowing down or speeding up. At every time, speed of the car does not remain the same. Somehow you have to apply the brakes. Somehow you have to increase the speed. When road is clear, then your car is moving uniformly. So this is daily life observation. Car is slowing down or it is speeding up. So acceleration is produced when your car is speeding up or your car is slowing down. Then acceleration is produced. Acceleration when you are speeding up, when you are slowing down, or when you are changing the direction, then acceleration is produced. So there are three situations, either slowing down, speeding up, or changing the direction, then acceleration is produced. So acceleration, this is the change in direction, acceleration is produced. How you will measure the acceleration? With the help of stopwatch, you will measure the change in speed. And then you will divide change in speed with time, you will get the acceleration. Acceleration is rate of change of velocity of a body. When velocity of a body is changing, we will discuss in detail what is velocity. When velocity of a body is changing, then acceleration is produced. Unit is meter per second square. Three ways for acceleration to occur: object speed up, object slow down, or object change its direction, then acceleration is produced. Formula for acceleration: acceleration equal to final speed minus initial velocity divided by time. When you subtract final velocity and initial velocity and divide it with time, then you will get your acceleration. Suppose your car is in state of rest. Its initial velocity is 0. You are speeding slowly. After 2 seconds, its speed becomes 10 meters per second. So this is your final VF. This is your initial velocity and this is the time. When you will divide final 0, final is 10, minus initial velocity with time, your answer will be 5, and this 5 is called acceleration. Unit is meter per second square. So acceleration is change in velocity in unit time. In 1 second, how much velocity is changed? This is called acceleration. Average acceleration, final minus initial velocity divided by time. This is the formula for finding the average acceleration. Delta V over delta T. Delta means change in velocity and delta T means change in time. Units of acceleration. Units of acceleration are meter per second square or kilometer per hour square. These are the units of acceleration. Uniform acceleration. Suppose you are moving on a road which is clear, there is no traffic, so you will increase your speed of car uniformly. When change in speed is uniform, then acceleration is said to be uniform. That means you are speeding up uniformly, then acceleration is said to be uniform. A body has uniform acceleration if it has equal change in velocity in equal intervals of time, however short interval may be. This is the uniform acceleration. It is going down a hill, its speed is continuously increasing. When speed is continuously increasing, then acceleration is said to be uniform and its graph will be in straight line. Zero acceleration. When you are moving on a road which is clear, there is no traffic, there is no change in speed of your car. You are moving with uniform speed. When there is no change in velocity, then acceleration is said to be zero. This is constant speed, acceleration is zero. Since acceleration is change in speed in unit time, when there is no change in speed, then there will be no acceleration. Speeding up or slowing down. When car is speeding up, it is called acceleration. When it is slowing down, it is called negative acceleration, or it is called deceleration, or it is called retardation. Three names are used for negative acceleration. When car is slowing down, you apply the brakes, then acceleration is said to be negative acceleration, or it is called deceleration, or it is called retardation. Positive acceleration. Acceleration of body is positive if its velocity increases with time. Its direction of this acceleration is same in which body is moving without change in its direction. If you are increasing the speed, then acceleration is said to be positive and its direction is same. Direction of acceleration will be same as that of velocity. Negative, when velocity increases uniformly, then velocity time graph will be in this shape. Positive acceleration graph when velocity increases non-uniformly. Then this is the graph for velocity time graph. Now velocity is increasing, but it is not increasing uniformly. It is non-uniformly increasing. Acceleration equal to gradient of speed time graph. When you want to find the acceleration, when a car is increasing its speed non-uniformly, then you have to find the gradient of speed time graph. How to calculate acceleration? In this case, you have to draw the tangent and you will take 2 points on that tangent and you will use the formula for gradient, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Velocity, time, acceleration equal to delta v over delta t. Negative acceleration. Acceleration of a body is negative if the velocity of the body decreases. Direction of negative acceleration is opposite to the direction in which body is moving. Negative acceleration is also called deceleration or retardation. This is the velocity decreasing. Then graph will be in this shape. First car was moving with uniform velocity. Now he is applying the brakes and speed of the car is reducing. So speed time graph will be in this shape. Uniform retardation. This is the graph, speed time graph, when speed is uniformly decreasing. Non-uniform retardation. Now, when speed is decreasing but not uniformly, sometime more decreasing, sometime less decreasing, then graph will attain this shape. And when you want to find the acceleration, then you have to draw the tangent on this graph and take 2 points on that tangent and you will apply the formula for gradient y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. This will give the retardation or negative acceleration of the body. Non-uniform retardation, you will draw the tangent and you will take 2 points on this tangent and you will apply the formula for gradient and you will get the acceleration. You will take 2 points on this graph, on this tangent. This is point A. This is point B. This one. This is y1 and this is y2. Similarly, on x-axis, this is x1 and this is x2. So you will apply the formula. Gradient of speed time graph gives the acceleration. y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. From this formula, you will get the acceleration when there is non-uniform change in speed. Conclusion. Acceleration is change of speed per second. That is called acceleration.